Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do reading for Scorpio water sign for the month of November, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see Scorpio, your messages for the week. And your first card, who will go? You or your person could be Hermit. Second card, Seven of Swords. Third, Page of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think you both are not talking to each other in recent past, or you are still not talking to each other. The Hermit, one person isolated themselves from all and they are undergoing some spiritual awakening, and this person is not talking to the other person. And one person in this connection is sneaky and playing some mind games. Definitely it could be the transforming person or other person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, but some spying is going between both of you, some communication, some messages. But one person is sneaky and playing mind games. They may be cheated or lied to other person, and you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air energy is here. So let's see what is going on your connection. Some more messages. Nine of Cups, the Hierophant, Six of Swords, lot of air energy. So Nine of Cups, definitely one person wishes are going to be granted. And Hierophant, I think the sneaky person in past may not be committed to you. I think it could be your person. Scorpio, definitely your person is sneaky and they're playing mind games with you, but they are not committed. Yeah, they are non-committal. That is the issue. That's why I think you decided to move from your person and you want to move on. And Six of Swords, moving to calm waters. Let's pull some more cards, then we will get more clarity. The Sun, Three of Swords, Three of Cups. Yeah, major of you, most of you, there is third party. Definitely third party involved for some. Yeah, Three of Swords with Three of Cups, but one person is heartbroken in this connection. I think it could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. I think it could be you, because your person sneaky playing mind games with you, then you become like this, or you moved away from your person, then your person become like this. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. The Sun, for some you person maybe have children with other lady. Definitely children's involved in this connection. Three of Cups, definitely commitment issues, third party. Let's pull some more. Yeah, Four of Swords. I think you are not talking to your person. I think the one person who undergoing spiritual awakening is you. Scorpio, you are not talking to your person. Two of Swords. Yeah, you stand by your power, you overcome this pain. Yeah. Two of Swords, I think your person still at some crossroads. They don't know what to do because they have options and they have to choose from those options. Definitely your person at some crossroads, but you are not talking to your person. You are undergoing some healing process. Four of Swords. Yeah, you are thinking about your person, but you are not talking to your person right now, and there is some healing going. And definitely there is no contact or less contact between you and your person, and you overcome this pain and now you become like this. You stand by your power. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Let's tell me about the signs. You or your person could be a lot of air energy, Aries, Leo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. There is no earth sign here till now. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Scorpio, your person current feelings. Five of Cups. Five of Pentacles. Oh my God, separation. Most of you are in separation. Four of Swords. I already told you, you both are in no contact. Your person feeling sad. Their feelings. Five of Cups means they're feeling very, very sad for the separation between both of you. Yeah, your person is very, very sad right now. Five of Pentacles with Five of cups and four of swords. They are not expressing their feelings because they are thinking about you a lot. They are unable to speak because they are also undergoing some spiritual awakening, some healing. Definitely your person also undergoing some healing. I think you both are on the same page under the healing process. Let's see your person in future actions towards you. Eight of Wands. Two of Wands. The Sun. Yeah. They want reconciliation with you. The Sun. Yeah. They want to approach you. Definitely there will some communication is coming in your way from your person. And Eight of Wands. Some positive moment also. Some sudden change and very very fast change. Eight of Wands means communication. Definitely your person want to communicate you. They want you will get communication from your person and for sure. And Two of Wands, definitely this could be long distance relationship and you both are thinking about each other. And yeah, your person also thinking about you a lot. And the Sun, definitely they want reconciliation because the Sun is positive sign. Definitely they want you back, but it's up to you because Seven of Swords is there. If your person playing mind games with you, if it is third party Scorpio, please think twice before giving another chance to your person. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Four of Wands. I think you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Nine of Pentacles from this deck. Knight of Wands. Seven of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You both want this reunion. I think your person want a lot because you stand by your power now. Nine of Pentacles, it's you. Scorpio, definitely stand by your power. But your person want you back. They want to come towards you. Knight of Wands with the Four of Wands. Definitely they want this celebration with you. And Seven of Pentacles. I think you invested in this connection already, Scorpio. Now it's your person turn. You already invested in this connection. Now your person want you back. They're coming back. It's up to you to give second chance or not. Because Four of Wands, for some there is reconciliation. This relationship is going to next level. For some, your person really sneaky and playing games. And if you are in third party, please don't give another chance. It's up to you. Finally, end of the day, it's your decision depending upon your situation. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Eight of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and 5 of Wands, and Ace of Cups. Definitely you are there are some fighting between both of you, or your person may be fighting for your attention. 10 of Pentacles, now they are coming back to offer long-term stability to you. For some, you are working towards your career and goals. 9 of Pentacles is here. You stand by your power. Now you are concentrating on your stability financial wise. 8 of Cups, definitely you walked away from this connection because there is no equal give and take. Because your person sneaky and playing games with you. That's why you walked away from your person. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and 10 of Pentacles. See, the Magician. They are manifesting you back. For some, definitely your person sneaky and manipulator because Magician sometimes treated as a manipulator also. But now they want to offer stability to this connection. 3 of Cups, celebration, reconciliation. 2 of Cups. Definitely they love you so much. And for some, you also love your person. Even though before you know there is third party. For some, then also you love your person, and definitely there is some third party situation involved, but your person want reconciliation. They want you back and they want to offer stability this time, Scorpio. It's up to you to give second chance, but you stand by your power. You walked away. You are not talking to your person, but your person coming back with solid offer. Yeah, they're rushing towards you for reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.